My dear students, in this video, we will be discussing solving problems from NTSC examination. These problems are from previous year question papers. Let's discuss first question. When 10 to the power 12 minus 1 is divided by 111, then what will be the quotient? Options are 900, option B 900, 900, option C 9 5 times 09, or option D 9 7 times 09. Let's solve the problem. As per the question, we are provided with 10 to the power 12 minus 1 divided by 111, which can further be written as 10 to the power 6 to the power 2 minus 1, which can further be written as 10 to the power 6 minus 1, 10 to the power 6 plus 1. Why we did this? Because we know that a square minus b square can also be written as a plus b, a minus b. Further solving this question, this is, of course, I'm writing divided by 111. Now I can further change the problem, simplify the problem. I can write 10 to the power 3 whole square minus 1 into 10 to the power 6 plus 1 divided by 111, which can further be written as 10 cube minus 1, 10 cube plus 1 into 10 to the power 6 plus 1 divided by 111. Now, 10 to the power 3 means 1000. 1000 minus 1 gives you 999. Multiply by 10 to the power 3, 1000 plus 1, which gives you 1001. Multiply by 1, 5 times 0, 1. This is divided by 111. Let's simplify. We are getting 3 multiply by 1001, multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. When you solve this problem, the answer you will get will be 9009, 009, 009, which is the required solution of the problem provided. So let's see what's the question. Yes. Do we have any option similar? Yes. Option B is the right answer. So let's discuss one more question. What will be 10% of 15% of 20% of rupees 500? Options are provided. Rupees 50, rupees 3.5, rupees 1.5, and 2.5. Let's see which is the correct option. Let's solve the question. Now we have two ways to solve this question. Let's solve the problem in both the ways. First, as per the question, we are given 10% of 15% of 20% of rupees 500, which can further be written as 10 over 100 multiply by 15 over 100 multiply by 20 over 100 multiply by 500. Let's solve. 20 5s are 100. We have cancelled double zeros and then we cancel 5 also. Further, you can solve. When you solve properly, you are getting, see, with the 0 gets cancelled, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So you are getting 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So 1.5 is the answer. We have one more option, which is a bit lengthy, but if you are not able to understand this way, we have another way. We will move backwards. We'll first find out 20% of 50, which gives you 20% of 500, which gives you 500 multiplied by 20 upon 100. When you solve it, you will get 100 as your answer. Then you find 15% of 100, that is, I'm talking about 100 into 15 by 100. Your answer is going to be 15. And further, later on, you need to find out 10% of 15, right? Which is basically 10 over 100 multiplied by 15, which after solving will be again 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Anyway, you are getting 1.5 as your answer. Whichever way you feel is comfortable for you, go ahead with it. So rupees 1.5 is the right answer. Let's see which is the next NTSE problem in front of us. According to the question, we are provided what will be the solution of the equation 7 to the power 1 plus x plus 7 to the power 1 minus x equals to 50. Options are 0, 2, plus minus 1, and none of these. Let's see which one of these is the answer. We are provided with 7 to the power 1 plus x plus 7 to the power 1 minus x equals to 50, which can further be written as 7 to the power 1 into 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power 1 into 7 to the power minus x is equal to 50. Further, 7 into 7 to the power x plus 7 divided by, this is 7 to the power x, which is equal to, again, 50. Now let us suppose that 7 to the power x is equal to y. Why we are doing this? So that we can solve the problem in an easier manner. So what we'll get, your equation number 1 becomes 7 into y plus 7 upon y equals to 50, which implies 7y square. We are taking LCM plus 7 equals to 50y. This can further be written as 7y square minus 50y plus 7 equals to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. Middle term split. We get 7y square minus 49y minus y plus 7 equals to 0. This implies you can take 7y common. You are left with y minus 7 minus 1 y minus 7 equals to 0, which can further be written as 7 by y minus 1 into y minus 7 equals to 0. So values of y we are getting are 1 by 7 and 7. Now if what we have chosen, we suppose that 7 to the power x is equal to y. That means if 7 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power 1, this implies your x will be equal to 1. And if your 7 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power minus 1, which is actually 1 over 7, further can be written as 7 to the power 1, what we'll get? X is equal to minus 1. So result is basically x is equal to plus minus 1, which is the required solution of the problem. Let's see whether we have an option or not. Yes, plus minus 1 is the option of the given problem. Let's move on to the next problem. It says, what is the value of x to the power a plus b multiplied by x to the power b plus c multiplied by x to the power c plus a over x to the power a, x to the power b, x to the power c whole square. Options are x square, x to the power a plus b plus c, x to the power a b c, or 1. Let's see which one of these is the correct answer. Now we know few things. We know few formulas already. which we have done in our previous classes, we know that x to the power m multiplied by x to the power n. When the base is same, powers are added. This gives you x to the power m plus n. If you have x to the power m over x to the power n, in that case, the result is going to be x to the power m minus n. And if you have problem is like this, x to the power m whole to the power n, in that case, the answer is going to be x to the power mn. Now, these three formulas I'm going to use in my question. Let's solve. We are provided with x to the power a plus b multiply by x to the power b plus c multiply by x to the power c plus a over x to the power a, x to the power b, and x to the power c whole square, which can further be written as in the numerator base same, so we are adding the powers. Plus c plus a, and in the same way in the denominator, the powers are going to be added whole square. Numerators becomes twice of a plus twice of b plus twice of c. In the same way, if you see your denominator, here also x to the power twice of a plus twice of b plus twice of c. Now, this can further be written as, if you see base in the numerator and denominator is same, so what we can do is x to the power 2a plus 2b plus 2c minus 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Using formula number 2, what we'll get? We'll get x to the power 2a plus 2b plus 2c minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c, which will give you, everything gets cancelled and you are left with x to the power 0. Any value to the power 0 gives you 1 as your answer. This is the required result. Let me see whether x to the power 0, which is giving you 1 is the answer of the problem is not. Problem is or not. Yes, 1 is one of the option. So this is the required solution. I hope all the problems are clear, solutions are clear to you. For more problems, do watch my next video. If you like my video, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.